Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a product in Shopify. Okay, first of all you need to click on products and click on add product. Okay, we have a page, we need to fill it, we need to start by the title, and in the title we are adding the short sleeve. Okay, in the description we need to add from the agent, and we need to put the title. Okay, he generated. Okay, it has give me the description. Okay, you are like it to click on keep it, don't like it to we need to generate again. Okay, it is created and we need to keep it. Okay, we had this, and in this we on the top we need to add the title in heading 1. Title is short sleeve. Okay, we need to it is also bold. Okay, we can underline it by using this, and we need to change the color. You can change the color in blue, red, etc. Okay, we like to blue, and in the engagement we need to choose this in the center, but we need to choose it default. And second thing we need to add is insert image. Okay, it is used for adding image in description. We need to add the image using add image. We have this image to add it. Okay, it is loading, and when it is loaded you need to click on done. Here we go, you have the image. Okay, you need to small it, you can small it also, and you can move it in the center. Okay, we need to save it, and we need to see it is good or not. We need to click on preview. Okay, here we go, it is looking very good. We need to push it to the down to copy it and put on this. No. Control V, and in this we need to delete it. Okay, we can add the video also. When I click on it, we can also add the video you can get from the YouTube etc. Okay, second thing is your media. In the media you need to add the images, all images, and it is uploading. Here we go, it is upload. Okay, you can move it down like this and this and this. Okay, we need to set up it by moving this and this. Okay, we need to save it, and we need to see how it is looking. Okay, it is saved, and we need to preview. Okay, we need to see it. Okay, it is looking very good. You can see. You can go and down, reach everything. Okay, we can add the images, and in the category we need to add about the my title, and I am on the short sleeve, so we need to add this. Okay, second thing is your price. In the price you can add $100, 100 rupees. We need to add 1500 rupees. Okay, 1600. Okay, we add it. Okay, it is also in Pakistan rupees. Okay, in the location we can add it, like we have the inventory of my branches. In one branch we have available 235. We had okay, we had 234 on hand, and we view the history again at SQL. Okay, in this we do not need to add it. And second thing is your shipping page. It is like this. It is telling about you. And okay, variant. It is the main thing you need to add it in your product is variant. Okay, we need to click on it, and we have the colors. Okay, we have two types of color, and we have a gray color, we have black color, and red color. Okay, we have black and red color. We need to done it. Okay, we need to add a black. On black we need to put this, and on red we need to put this. Okay, in this we have pieces, 12 pieces we had. And okay, it is also added. We need to go on up, and in this we need to add state. It is active now, and we need to add a type. It is a type of short, and vendor was meant for no collection. We didn't need the collection. Tags was here, short sleeve. Okay. Product was default, and we need to save it, and we need to check the product we are now created. Click on preview. Okay, it is very good and very good thing. We can see in the red and black also. Okay, it is showing very good. We can buy it, add to cart, and here we go. It is go to the cart. It is very good product. You can try it. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.